KOH is an ionic compound formed by which pair of ions? The correct answer is K plus and OH minus. Now, there isn't too much rhyme or reason with this. They're just ions to memorize. K plus, OH minus. Potassium, K, is in group 1, so it's going to lose 1 electron and acquire a positive 1 charge. Na3P is formed by which pair of ions? We know that C is not the right answer because any ion cannot have a -6 charge. The correct answer is Na plus and P3 minus. So the overall contribution of charge is +3 and -3, and they have to be equal and opposite to add up to 0. So there has to be 3 of the NAs, and so you divide this by 3 and you get to +1. Whereas P, it's 3 groups shy of becoming a noble gas, so it gains 3 electrons. It's a -3 charge. What about tin sulfide? Well, we know that sulfur has to have a -2 charge because it's in group 6. So in order to become like a noble gas, which has a full octet, it needs to gain 2 valence electrons to acquire a -2 charge. So A and B cannot be the right answer. Furthermore, there's a 2-to-1 ratio of the number of each respective ions within the molecular formula. So there's got to be a 2-to-1 ratio of the charges, but just accounting for the positives and the negatives. So SN4 plus has twice the charge, magnitude-wise, as S2 minus. So that's going to be the answer. Fish bass is formed by which pair of ions? Ba plus S minus, Ba2 plus S2 minus, etc., etc. The correct answer is Ba2 plus and S2 minus. We already know that sulfur has a -2 charge, and if there's an equal number of both of these, Ba has got to have the same charge, but equal and opposite.